As you can see from the title, I will be doing my own eyelash extensions as a lash artist. I don't usually pre-make or prepare my fans when doing a set on a client, but for this tutorial I'll be doing just that, just to minimize irritation from the glue as possible. So for this set I'll be using the Magical Wand by at Lashgodraq and my favorite mirror from at SittingPrettyBeautyLLC on Instagram. Since it is my first attempt, I will keep it simple by using sizes 12 through 15 with a decurl. No extra stuff, just straight little cat eye. First time, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's get right into it. I started by taping my top eyelid, then how I was gonna isolate without the glue first. And I was able to at least isolate one. And I did realize that it was easier to just do the bottom, obviously. So I'm gonna just do the bottom row of my eyelashes. And it wasn't even super easy, it was kind of hard, but I got it done. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of the set. But now that I added the extra light, it was a lot easier and I can actually see. And then the process was obviously a lot easier since there was more light. And it went by a lot quicker after that. Here you have it. My left side, is that my left side? Right side, that is my right. My right side is done. I think I added maybe like 50 fans. I didn't do a whole like full set, but you know, they look pretty. And they're isolated. Okay, I'm gonna be real, I feel like 2 got stuck together, I think in the inner corner, but that was because those were my first 2. So yeah, after that the isolation was a lot better. So yeah, RIP to those 2 lashes later when they fall off. And here is my first fan on my left side. And here is my full set on myself. Honestly, they came out pretty good. It's more like a little classic set, but at least they don't look crazy. I feel like my first set ever looks crazy. I'm gonna just casually show my different angles so you can see different views of it. And yes, it did burn a little. Haha.